Hello, Aces. Welcome back to our week 6 lesson. We're going to jump right in and we are going to start with chip, chop, chippity chop, which we did a couple weeks ago. So remember, it starts like this. You can say it with me or listen and then say it. Pause the video and say it after me. Chip, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What you have left, put in the pot. Chip, chop, chippity chop. You may remember that we added some pats and claps. So the red X's are claps. The green circles are pats on your leg. Remember, we're taking turns, so it could go right, right, or it could go left, right. It doesn't really matter right now. So let's try that. Chip, chop, ready and go. Chip, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What you have left, put in the pot. Chip, chop, chippity chop. Now we're going to add some more to it. Whoa, we got a lot of pats coming up next. And we have one clap here. I'm also going to call your attention to this. We don't have anything under left, and we don't have anything under pot. Okay? So let's see if we can do these. Ready? I'm going to do it first, and then you can do it right after me. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. Ready? 1, 2, say it with me and go. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. And then what you have left, put in the pot. Ready, go. What you have left, put in the pot. Let's try both of those lines together. Starting with cut off the bottom. Ready, and here we go. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What you have left, put in the pot. All right, here we go. We're going all the way from here. Let's see how we do, and you can always pause the video and practice more if you'd like. Chip, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What you have left, put in the pot. Chip, chop, chippity chop. All right. Pause if you need to. And keep practicing that even if you don't have it right away, or even if you do have it right away, try to get it stuck up in your brain. And even if there's some hard parts, practice the hard parts. Don't spend a whole lot of time on the parts that you already know. All right, here we go. Moving on. We have some solfege echoes today, and they are going to, just like we have been, I'll sing, you sing back to me, and they will go pretty quickly. Do, mi, sol. So, re, do. So, mi, re. Do, re, mi. Mi, re, do. Mi, sol, mi. Sol, mi. Oh, sorry. Sol, mi, do. So, mi. All right, that's all of them for today. Pretty soon, we're going to move away from just echoing, and we're going to move into where are these notes on the music staff. Right now, we're trying to get them in our ear, get them in our voice, and see if we can sing them accurately. All right, so nice job with the singing. I hope you're practicing as we do that. Remember these songs. Oops, I misspelled remember up there. Sorry. Remember these songs. Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea. Charlie got a catfish, can't catch me. Your turn. Ready and go. All right, the next one is going to be sugar and tea, and that one sounds like this. Lead through that sugar and tea and lead through that candy. You lead through that sugar and tea and I'll lead through that candy. Now this one's a little bit newer, so um, I would love it if you could rewind and practice it. Your seesaw response for today is going to be to pick one of these songs and record yourself singing it. Okay, so I'm going to sing Sugar and Tea one more time because it's a little bit newer. You can sing with me or you can sing after me. 1, 2, ready and go. Lead through that sugar and tea and lead through that candy. You lead through that sugar and tea and I'll lead through that candy. All right. Our last bit of practice today is rhythms. So I would like you to pause the video and practice clapping and saying these rhythms. We've gone over all of these notes in other weeks. Now we're putting them together into 4 sections at a time. Pause the video. All right, now that we're back, we are going to clap it and say it together. Starting at the beginning. Ready? Clapping and saying. Starts with do-ta-de-ta. Ready? And here we go. Do-ta-de-ta, do-day, do-day. Do-day, do-ta-de-ta, do-ta-de-ta, do. Do, do-ta-de-ta, do. Do, do-ta-de-ta, do. All right, class, now. Tough for you. Pause the video, rewind, and try it again. Beginning, and here we go. Do-ta-de-ta, do-day, do-day. Do-day, do-ta-de-ta, do-ta-de-ta, do. Do, do-ta-de-ta, do. Do, do-ta-de-ta, do. Okay, so now that we've practiced performing that rhythm, clapping and singing, but this means that these notes right here in this first line are our A section, or our pattern that we're going to call A. Now, if we know that this is A, what are we going to put down here? That's the next question. Well, we look at the notes to help to tell us. Since these notes are a different pattern than up here in the A section, we have to use the next letter of the alphabet, and that is B, of course. So we have an A section here and a B section here. Okay, we're looking at our next line of notes here. They don't match the B and they don't match the A, so we have to use the next letter of our alphabet, C. And as we look down at our last line here, that is, we notice that that matches above. So now we can repeat the letter C because we know we have 2 section C's in a row. Here we go. All of these, A, B, C, C, this is called our form. Can you say form, please? Now musicians use form. Musicians use form to help them organize music. So it's a way for us to know, okay, what sections are coming first, second, third, fourth. What sections are repeated? What sections have we already heard or already performed? And which ones are new? Okay, this can help in a lot of different ways. But that is why we use the form. Okay. with that, we are done for today. Remember, you're choosing one of those songs we did earlier and you're recording yourself singing it. You can choose to do it with a video or with just the microphone audio without the video. It's up to you. Thank you, everyone. I will see you next week. Stay safe and healthy.